halo semua, kembali dengan saya di Bright School, Mr. Anto Naibaho. Kali ini kita akan membahas penggunaan daripada the simple present continuous tense atau sering disebut juga dengan the present progressive tense. The simple present continuous tense is used to show an ongoing activity which is happening now, either at the moment of speaking or in a larger sense. The simple present continuous tense is formulated by subject plus to be is mr plus present participle. It means verb 1 plus ing. So the present continuous tense is formulated by looking at these examples. Number 1 is swim, it becomes swimming, and then sleep becomes sleeping, and then sit becomes sitting, stand becomes standing, read becomes reading, watch becomes watching, do becomes doing. Okay, the first use is with normal verbs to express the idea that something is happening now at the moment of someone speaking. Here are some examples supported with some pictures to help you understand how to use the simple present continuous tense. So the first example is I am leaping. Saya sedang melompat. And the second example is I am swinging. Saya sedang bermain ayunan. The third is I am turning on the faucet. Saya sedang menyalakan keran air tersebut. The fourth is she is pushing the baby. Dia sedang mendorong bayi itu. The fifth is she is sleeping on the bed. Dia sedang tidur di tempat tidur, atau dia sedang tidur di kasur. And the seventh is you are pulling the dog. Anda sedang menarik anjing itu. The eighth is Sami is dreaming. Sami sedang bermimpi. He is writing a letter. Dia sedang menulis surat. Number 10, he is listening to the music. Dia sedang mendengarkan musik. And number 11, the girl is riding a horse and the boy is riding a bicycle. Si perempuan itu sedang menunggangi seekor kuda dan laki-laki itu sedang bermain dan laki-laki itu sedang mengendarai sepeda. And then we are running in the yard. Kami sedang berlari di halaman. Next, we are reading a book. Kami sedang membaca buku. And then we are jumping. Kami sedang melompat. Next, they are singing. Mereka sedang bernyanyi. And then they are dancing. Mereka sedang menari. Next, they are spinning. Mereka sedang berputar. Next, they are bouncing the ball. Mereka sedang memantulkan bola tersebut. So the second use of present continuous tense is used to formulate a sentence for longer actions in a progress noun. So in English, the word now can mean also today, this month, this year, this century, and etc. And sometimes we use the present continuous tense to say that we are in the process of doing a longer action which is in progress. Maksudnya kita sedang mengerjakan suatu pekerjaan dalam waktu yang lama ataupun dalam waktu yang panjang, dan kita sedang dalam proses. You have to remember that we might not be doing it at this second, but we are doing it. We started doing it from yesterday, and we keep doing it until now. So the first example to show the present continuous tense in a longer action is I am studying to be a doctor. Saya sedang belajar untuk menjadi seorang dokter. And the second is I am not studying to be a dentist. Saya tidak sedang belajar untuk menjadi seorang dokter gigi. And the third is I'm not reading any books right now. Saya tidak sedang membaca buku apapun saat ini. And then, are you working on any special project at work? Apakah Anda sedang mengerjakan proyek di tempat pekerjaan Anda? And then, are you teaching at university now? Apakah Anda sedang mengajar di universitas sekarang? So those are examples by using the present continuous tense in a longer extents. So I hope you guys can understand and you can practice this English so that your English gets better and you can improve your English for your life skill. Oke, bagaimana kita mengubah ke dalam kalimat negatif? Kita tambahkan not setelah to be, is, am, are, seperti is not, are not, am not. Let's check for examples. Example number 1, they are watching TV. That is positive. And in negative we change they are not watching TV, and we change into interrogative sentence. Are they watching TV? Apakah mereka sedang menonton televisi? Okay, and the second example is he is listening to the music. And in negative, he is not listening to the music. And in interrogative sentence, is he listening to the music? Okay, thanks for watching, and if you think this lesson can help you learn English, please subscribe, like, and give your comments so that your friends also can know that we are here to help people learn English. Thank you.